Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is Lee Gaus again, coming at you from the offices of International Futures Group and EFG Group here in Chicago. And it is Thursday, and now we're talking about Numberology again today, and what's going to happen or what might happen tomorrow to change some long-term trends in the commodity market. So let's go over some of these commodities that are on the verge or close to the verge of trend turning. December corn. If December corn closes at 381 and a quarter or better tomorrow, the trend changes to bullish. And just before taping, when I came in here, the market was trading at 391. Now December wheat. If December wheat closes at or above 504 and 3/4 tomorrow, the trend will turn bullish. And just before we came in here for taping, it was trading at 511. Moving to the December coffee, the December coffee market, if it closes at or above 128.50 tomorrow, the trend will turn bullish, and it was trading at 127.40 just before coming in here. Taking a look at the Dees Cocoa, if Dees Cocoa trades at or below 32.21 tomorrow, the trend will turn negative, and it was trading at 30.52 just prior to taping. Taking a look at the Dees crude oil, everybody, December crude oil, if it closes at or above 49.36 tomorrow, the trend will turn bullish. That would mean higher prices at the pump. And where was it trading before we came in? 48.66, so we're not that far away. Taking a look at the December Canadian dollar. If the December Canadian dollar trades at or above 76.84 tomorrow, the trend will turn bullish, and it was trading at 76.76 just prior to taping. It takes us to one more commodity I want to talk about, and that's the December gold market. If you remember 2 weeks ago, we talked about how December gold was on the verge of turning higher. And it then did turn higher, and then the next week, last week, the first 4 days, December gold was nothing but lower. And I could hear the chuckles. Yeah, I heard you laughing at me because we talked about it being in an uptrend, but all it did was go lower until what? Until the lip buttoner upper on Friday came along, and the December gold rally at that point, almost $23 in a day, moving away from the negative reversal and making it more difficult for gold to turn negative this week, which would be a close tomorrow at $1,095.10. So what does this tell us? This tells us that right now the gold market is in a battleground area. It's having a hard time getting through the 1153 level, and it's having a hard time getting down to or penetrating into the negative territory or the trend reversal territory. Because it's in an uptrend, I still favor buying dips, but watch for potential sideways trading opportunities in a fairly volatile market as the gold market tries to determine whether it's going to rally higher or whether it's going to negate the uptrend and go lower. Hey, this has been Lee Gaus with the offices of EFG and IFG here in Chicago. Always keep in mind that trading futures is risky. Don't underestimate that. Always understand the risk you are assuming when you put on a commodity position. Hey, have a great trading Friday and a great weekend.